day and thank you for calling Grand Luxor Hotel. This is Claire speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to make a reservation, please.
May I know who is in the line?
It's Joshua.
Okay, Sir Joshua, what specific time and date would you like to have the reservation?
On May 28 to 29, the time will be at 2 p.m. in the afternoon for May arrival time.
How many guests will be staying, Sir Joshua?
Just me.
Okay, sir. What specific room would you prefer?
What are the available rooms?
For a moment, sir, as I check in our system. Good news, sir. We do have available rooms such as single, double, and single suite, and also have upgraded room, which are the deluxe room, the non-smoking or smoking room, sir.
I would like to have the deluxe room, please. That is non-smoking area.
So the deluxe room, sir, is 5,000 pesos per night. Will that be alright, sir?
Certainly.
So the inclusions for the deluxe room, sir, it has king size bed, mini fridge, and bathroom amenities with free breakfast from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning with free complimentary snacks at your table.
Sounds good.
Okay, sir, may I repeat your full name, please? Juliet Oscar Sierra Hotel, Uniform Alpha Quebec, Uniform India November Alpha Quebec, Uniform India November. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
May I ask for an email address and phone number, please?
My email address is Joshua Kinakin, and my phone number is 0994-356-5317.
Okay, thank you for that information, sir. May I know how will you guarantee your reservation, please?
Through credit card. Holder is Joshua and the number of 0191.
Okay, sir Joshua, our hotel account is 1234567 May I repeat again your reservation? So timing is it's on 2 p.m. on May 28. You will be only staying for one night on a deluxe room that costs 5,000 pesos. Is that correct, sir?
That's correct.
Please be informed, sir, that you have a 6 o'clock policy. If not yet checked in before 6, the hotel reserves the right to give the room to the waitlist guest, sir.
Noted.
Your reservation number, sir, is 12345. A confirmation will be also sent in your email address. Thank you for calling Luxury Grand Hotel. We will see you soon. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.